viewers, we are back, and like you guys can see, we have not did a lot. Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing this video after the other one right away, so you guys can see everything that we are doing. We over there, we got DJ, like always dropping stuff.
Hey, I know business.
Yo, he literally started this farm on last episode. This is crazy. Uh, we also got Dwayne that he probably will be joining soon. In the meantime, it's just me and DJ. We just building. You're gonna see this couple episodes just literally just straight up building. Wait, do I got my clothes on? I don't got shoes. There we go. Now we got. All right, we're gonna level up. Wait, I'm not wasting no points yet because I gotta get to the smithy table and unlock it. What do I was grabbing? No stash. Not fiber. There we go. Fiber. Oh, shoes. There we go. Put it on. I have not put my bed yet because I wanna make everything and then put the bed so it can look decent.
Boogie, I need your poop.
What do you mean you need my poop?
I
You
need your
hear
poop.
this, man? Also, do you put your thing on again?
My G
It's
string?
right
Yeah, it's on.
here. It's right here. Grab the poop.
You grab it. It's your poop.
But you wanted it. Here.
Put it in the plants.
I drop it. Oh no, I eat it. Damn.
Yeah.
Nah, I ate it. I
Good
ate it on
chat.
stream. That's
Good chat.
crazy.
Boogie be eating his own poop.
Nah, that's crazy.
Boogie like eating his own poop, chat.
Nah, 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 nah. I ate it
Boogie,
on stream and video. It's crazy.
Boogie a poop eater.
No, that was by accident. That was literally by accident. Accidentally eating it. Damn, what you breathing? You
I forgot.
breathe? Damn.
Good to be.
That was a heavy breathe. I'm not gonna lie. All right, walls. I need wood. That's great. Every time I want to do something, I need something.
Welcome to life. First time?
That's crazy. All right,
Taco Bell.
there we go. Oh no. All right, first, this is just a little, like I said on the last episode, this is just a small base that we're doing. You guys see it big because I like everything to be organized and have space so we can do a lot of stuff. Same as DJ. How you doing over there, man?
I'm gonna go kill somebody.
Why can still not move? Oh, because I cannot make a lot of stuff. How much time I have? This to disappear? I don't see it. Alright. That's why I level up my weight. Because I always building stuff. Alright. Level 13 already? Say less. Yo, you lied to me, DJ.
What do you mean?
I don't see no crocodile. I don't want to see it either, but I don't see none.
That's how they get you. You don't think you see one. By the time you do, you're dead.
That's crazy. That shit's crazy. Alright, there we go.
Oh, my asshole. I'm sitting on this chair.
You
Oh,
water now?
I asked her if I'm sitting on that chair. I'm gonna go murder something.
There we go. Oh my god. I will put my bed right here. Nope, pick it up. Pick it up. Wait, with one bed, everybody can spawn in here or no?
Yeah.
Alright. Because I'm changing the bed position. Just in case, I'm gonna put both of them so it can look good, but you get it. You get it. There we go. There, you better come here and put in your. Oh no, you're gonna see on the map. Never mind. You don't have to come here. I'm thinking this is in Minecraft. You see that? That's crazy. I need wood. All right. Oh nah. So this is the fog. Oh, this is crazy. I thought this fog was something. Ooh. Oh yeah, we're gonna get screwed if we go to the damn inside there. Yep, yep. All right, guys. We cannot move. I hope we can move. That's what happened. We're still building stuff. Hey, yeah, where you at? Exploring?
Listen now.
Damn, there's a ton of drops. Well, only two I see so far. It's just crazy. Yep. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's getting shape. 2 episodes straight out building. It's crazy. But this is what we have to do, guys. So you guys can have good time here. DJ. My guy. What happened? Explain what happened, bro. What happened, bro? You want my bow and arrows, bro? You stay quiet. Oh, just in case he's trying to
Do
and
nothing, man. It's minding my own
that's
business. I got jumped.
bro. That's why I put my sensitivity almost all the way max. They
That's
came in.
freaking. It's
This
like true
dinosaur's coming
dawns.
out of nowhere.
That's it's turning night, so the true dawns are coming out.
You better get to the house.
Oh, bastards.
We can make more walls. No, we need more. You know what? I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna make the other one. Not yet. Right? Oh, cementing paste. What letter we gonna need it? What? Meantime, it's gonna be like this. I'm gonna unlock this. This also. Do we need the cooking pot right now, or we don't? He's so concentrated right now.
I just got shaboing boing. I need a minute, man. Minding my own business. I got jumped.
Bro, this thing is scary, bro. Oh, this is full already. Mm, This is full with this. Put in the big chest. Guess I cannot carry none of this right now. Put this in here. Got all the stuff that I don't need right now. We need that, but not right now. Alright. So now I can walk more freely. We need wood. Alright, let's go. Let's go, guys. We need wood. Wood and a couple more stuff. Mm, 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 mm. This is for right now. I'm gonna make a small chasm inside the house so I can be back and forth and make this way faster. This is on the meantime. It's a small box, yep. Come on, build it. Make it, make it, make it. There we go. Alright. So right now, and I'm gonna put this in here, this in here, and this in there for right now. Alright, let's go grab more. Damn, I'm quick. Alright, we're gonna go back. This is gonna be a whole process, but we need to do this. We level up. Hey, look at the good side, DJ. We have at least the base of the house, so animals cannot kill us. This is every time we play. I always make the house.
Found a fire.
Es aquí, esto aquí, esto aquí. let's go grab some stash. I need fiber. You say you find some what?
I said you a hoe.
Nah, 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 nah. That's crazy.
Na 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 na.
Alright. Oh, I can level up already? Not bad. I didn't even notice. Fiber, here we go. Alright. Back to the little house thing, dude. Put this in here, put this in here, put this in here. Drop all this I don't need. We're gonna level up a little bit. We're gonna put health. Why not? Let's put 1 health. We need a lot of wood. That's what I like. Up all this wood here. Stash. I need a little bit more fiber, and we should be good to go. And I'm believing that we can finish them house. When
I'm
DJ is
almost home.
quiet like that, it's because he's so concentrated on getting home safe. I'm starving. Damn, eating right now. Don't worry about it. I got food on me. I don't even need that many wood, but alright. I didn't even count them. I didn't even count how many wolves we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7. Oh no. Oh Lord. Oh, perfect 7. Boom, 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 boom. Oh nah, 8. Damn. A miscalculator. There we go. Damn, I miscalculated again. That's crazy. 1, 2, 3. Wow. El huesazo. Go. There we go.
I'm almost home. I'm home.
Welcome back. Welcome back. The freak are you? Don't tell me you need to just put. Oh my
No, come here, look.
God.
Come here, look what this creature did.
I know, I know, I know. I've been taming that a lot for that, but he need food 24/7. No,
That's fine, it's just berries.
no. Oh, we can't get that a lot. He's following you, just in case. Do you think this is fine, right? Yeah, we got a lot of space here. You want to make a second floor, or this is good?
I think that's good.
This is just like the main base. Not the main base, but the Nobi base that we always build in the beginning. All right, so This is for my stuff coming handy. I will build this. Go. This is what I don't like about it. I don't like it yet. I did unlock it. Okay. Necesito. Ahora. There we go. I'm gonna do a little bit more weight. Until I don't get to 200 weight, that I can get. Damn, boy! I hear this all the way down here. Going pooping out. That's crazy.
Come
Pooping like
outside.
crazy. Oh, I already see it. I already see it. It's great. Hold up. I see it on my brain, but oh my god. Look at that, guys. The fact that you're having fun about it is crazy. Wait. What are you doing? Nah, you need stash.
Batch.
Oh, damn. Freak. Yeah, but that's not enough. You need 50 for each. So take one poop out.
That's fine.
I think you can put 100. That's crazy, bro. See, we learned all this last server that we were playing in, bro. The last game that we played. We did a big ass house, a farm. If you guys were here on my streamings, you guys saw all the stuff that we did. It was crazy. We were going crazy. We were going crazy at it. Okay, y ahora necesito.
I'm trying so hard not to fall asleep.
Oh, you?
Yeah,
Nah, you're probably gonna fall asleep.
I won't.
You
I'll
probably
find it.
leave it later. I didn't even know what time it is on my end.
Let's see. For me,
Hey,
it's
damn,
9.
it's still
For you, it's
early.
8. Yeah. No, it's not. I've been like awake for like
Gotcha.
since 6.
Are you gonna be on tomorrow too?
I work, but once I'm off, then
Oh
sure.
damn, yeah. See, we got different schedule, guys, because you work a certain time, I work a certain time, and then, but we always make it work. We always do.
Back up.
Oh, let me think. Let me cook. All right, let me go over here. Okay. Y ahora, vamos a tener que hacer el techito. This is how we'll make. This house literally is gonna finish on the second episode. This shit's insane. I don't like how it look. Ugh. I need a wall. Yep. Necesito una pared. I need stash. Do I need more? I do need a lot. Damn. JJ. I need you to please to move a little bit. Never mind. I don't need to go nowhere. You got everything already. But this house, we are finishing this episode. For sure. There we go. You see that? You see that? Yeah. Hmm. Now this is kind of, I don't know. Kind of like all right, but also kind of like kind of like mad. Because oh, we couldn't do that on the second floor. Never mind. This is all right.
Oh,
What?
I'm lagging.
Don't say that, bro.
Oh, frozen. I think I'm gonna kick me out. One sec.
All right. Nice. Now this.
And I'm back. Wait.
Put it here. No, lo puse mal. Damn. I gotta be another one. Yep.
I'm lagging again.
Hold up. There we go. I need your animal. This is I got technical difficulties in here. Damn. Damn. I cannot stand on top of him. It's crazy. There we go. Oh my god. No. Oof. Alright. Damn. I have to make the door right here. So demolish this. Demolish this. Yeah, this is we are finishing, but it takes time and precision and to know where to put everything so it can look good. Alright, now the walls. This. Oh, oh. Who make it cry? Who did make the baby cry?
Nobody, he's just cranky.
Alright, we got the Ahora tenemos esta otra pared que la podemos poner aquí. Oh my god, DJ, I graduate myself, man. I already graduate. I'm building. It's crazy. This is insane. Oh, I forgot the wall. I mean, what I got? Tito.
Tell me if it's too loud, I'll mute myself.
Nah, you're good, man. People gonna hear it. And they're like, what that baby's crying on the back? And they're like, let it cry. Let it cry. That's what happened when a baby is met. People gotta understand that's nature. Oh my God. Yeah, I need un premio Oscar or something. Like, damn. These buildings are crazy. Why are you killing over there? I need wood. I got wood in here. I don't want to know. People probably see it. I do. All right, wood. Oh, bet I can carry 100 wood on me. Say less. We're doing progress already. All right. We basically. Look at my nice. What do I need now?
Can you build a door out of wood? Cause like I've been looking for that doorway the past like 30 minutes.
Where you at? Come on.
I made it in the house, but I was there for like 30 minutes looking for my way freaking into the house.
Ain't no way. He was literally just trying to find the door. I got you. No worries, bro. I got you. This shit was like, where's the damn
Like a
freaking door,
freaking
man?
lemming.
Oh my God, I should have just. Oh my, I should be outside to see that, bro.
It's just licking the freaking walls.
I need more stash. Hold up. Damn, happened to me again. It happened to me too. Don't worry. Demolished door. So, I'll grab stash real quick. Oh my God, we're doing a lot of progress on this second episode. It's crazy. This second.
Arms already set up.
What level you are already?
21.
I didn't even. Oh my! I see that was gonna happen. No. Calm down. Calm down. How do I make them passive again? Follow me, man. Damn. Yo, DJ, I need your help.
What?
I need your help. Damn, bitch ass. They gonna kill your animal. Never mind. I'm here. Bro, este pájaro me tiene ya dos pájaros.
Pero un pájaro.
Bro, come over here. My aim is horrible. Oh my God, bro.
Ow.
Bro, how many flechas this damn thing need to... Alright, man. Come over here. Mira, hasta una lanza. What the freak, man? What's up with these damn birds? I'm gonna die for sure. Never mind. This episode is so horrible. We too stupid. All right, one down. What kind of... Brother.
Got him.
Come on. Like, you need God, man. You know how many arrows I just waste? Alright, hold up. Whistle Saba. That's crazy. That's unhuman right there, guys. This is normal on an arc day, not on a human day. Also, we got charcoal. I'm saving this charcoal because I know later on we're gonna need a lot of damn charcoal. Come on, bro. Damn. They were like, oh, this episode, nothing happened, everything went alright. Yeah, psych. I lie. Alright. Are we on 200? Speed. Next, we're gonna level up the health. What is chasing you? Oh, you were taming that thing? Que yo iba a hacer? Se me olvidó hasta lo que yo iba a hacer. Te digo yo, what the frick I was gonna do? Oh, making the damn doors wood. Estos pájaros me hicieron. I don't know, man. For real, bro. Man, it's trash. This is ridiculous. We were like, what, 10 minutes on the damn video, just killing 2 damn birds? Stupid. That's just ridiculous, man. This is art for y'all. Hey, you ever think art is easy? Nah, man. Alright. I gotta leave this video here. I was gonna finish the house. It's basically finished. But I don't want to take too long. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Enjoy literally seeing us fighting with 2 damn birds. Level 33. That's why they were so tough. We got 2 new dinosaurs. So, DJ got those dinosaurs. And we out. Don't forget to subscribe. Put notifications on so you don't miss no videos. And I'm probably gonna do some stuff out cam. And we'll be right back on the next episode.